Welcome back to Freedia on Freedia. We're on our final question of our trivia segment. Freedia, are you ready? Let's go. We already know that undetectable equals untransmittable, but HIV stigma is a real problem. Which of the following is a way you cannot contract HIV from someone else? A, sharing a bathroom or a kitchen. B, hugging or kissing. C, sweat, tears, or saliva. Let me phone a friend. Okay, let's get him on.
Hey, Freedia. Stigma is hurtful. I told my aunt I had HIV and she got mad because I used her shower. I have to constantly remind folks HIV can only be transmitted through sharing needles, breast milk, and sexual fluids.
Girl, thank you for sharing, because when we know better, we can do better. Final answer, all of the above. Correct, you win a brand new car. Really? Girl, no, this is a PSA. Keep bouncing a zero, y'all.